So I wanted to talk about our industrial full face lineup. So you can see that there's a few new additions here, but these are all good quality respirators. So these are all class 2 respirators, so it's perfect for the industrial setting that you might need. I know a lot of you do DIY work. Some do home improvement, woodworking, mold, asbestos, bleach work. Depending on what you need, there's a filter that comes with a mask specifically designed for you. If you need an entry-level mask, if you're DIY or just doing small home remodeling or improvement, go with the PD100. It is a very, very easy mask. It comes with proprietary filters and it's at a very, very good price point. If you want to go one step above, then I would go with the PD101. It comes with an A1 P2 filter set. So this filter set is going to provide you really, really good protection. This is a class 2 respirator that's CE approved and it's actually been tested. So this is our level 2 mask. So if you're going to do some, let's say chemicals, you're going to work with chemicals or a little bit harsher particulates, I would recommend getting the PD101. Our next mask, I would consider our level 3 mask. So this is called the FFR 100. I love this mask. It's got a 6-point head strap. It's got a silicone seal. It's a very, very comfortable class 2 respirator, and actually comes with a filter set that's A2P3. So again, we picked up the protection level just one notch. This is going to provide you very, very good particulate and organic filter protection. And this is a very comfortable mask. Like I said, it comes with an awesome voice diaphragm. You can wear this thing all day in an industrial setting and you're not going to be uncomfortable. You're going to love this mask, and it is a very, very good price point for everybody. Our top-notch mask is the IRM 100. So it has a few new features and also has an awesome filter set that comes along with it. So it's actually an ABEC P3R filter set, which is basically you'll be able to do almost anything with it. This is a do-it-all filter set that is going to be perfect for almost every single job. So it also is a full silicone head seal and strap. So it actually has a voice diaphragm in here that is very, very loud. You're going to hear people very, very well, and you'll be able to speak easily. It actually has a self-seal check kit as well. So all you got to do if you want to see if this mask is actually sealing properly, just push on this button and actually exhale, and you'll be able to see if you have a proper fit. This is a very, very new. We actually just designed it not too long ago, and we wanted to make sure that the customers would have it. This is our highest level industrial mask, and this is a class 2 mask. So this is going to offer you fantastic protection. At long-term use, you're going to be able to wear it and be super comfortable with it. You're going to have a self-seal check that you'll be able to do on the spot. You're not going to have to do seal checks and wonder, am I protected? You're going to be able to press this one button and know for a fact that you are protected. Now, last but not least is probably one of my favorite things. So this is our welding mask. I'm not going to categorize these the same as these masks right here that we have on our table, because this is a little bit different. This is a welding and grinding mask. This is going to be a farmer's best friend. And this is what I love about it, because I saw my uncles and my grandparents all the time use welding masks in the shop when they were on their farms at home. So not only could you weld with this, you can also grind with this, because I know those two go hand in hand. Not only that, I actually put caps on these, so it's going to protect your particulate filters from any kind of sparks that might actually fly up when you're in the shop or you're on the farm. This mask is a very, very comfortable mask. It's at a very, very affordable price point. I challenge anybody to go online and find a price point that can beat this, because I don't think that you're going to do it. And if you need industrial masks, Parcil Safety's got them at all different price points with all different kind of filters. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. We're going to be here for you. Leave comments, send us messages, or give us phone calls, and we're going to be happy to help you out.